Hello and welcome back to freeCodeCamp's regular expression course. This is match everything but letters and numbers. It says you've learned that you can use a shortcut to match alphanumerics, A through Z, capital and lowercase, 0 through 9, and underscore using backslash lowercase w. That was the lesson before this. Here it says a natural pattern you might want to search for is the opposite of alphanumerics. You can search for the opposite of the backslash w with backslash capital W. Note the opposite pattern uses a capital letter. So this shortcut is the same as the caret A through Z, 0 through 9 underscore. This excludes alphanumerics. Alright, so it'll match everything except these. Our example shows variable shorthand, which is our character class. And we have numbers, 42%. Sentence is coding. So when we use our match function here and pass in shorthand, this should return percent and exclamation because it's going to exclude the alphanumerics. So no numbers here and no numbers here. So we're just left with the symbols. Our challenge says use a shorthand character class backslash capital W to count the numbers of non-alphanumeric characters in various quotes and strings. So it should use the global flag. It should find 6 alphanumeric characters, which would be the space 1, space 2, space 3, space 4, and then space 5, and the period would be 6. Your regex should use a shorthand character to match characters which are non-alphanumeric. Your regex should find the A. Okay, we can do all this. Let's just go here where it says change, and we're going to do the same thing, backslash capital W, and we're going to do G because it should be global, the global flag. And last, we can console log to make sure that result is returning 6 by putting in result. So we are getting 6, which is a good sign. We should be able to run this now and see if we pass. And we did pass. So the important thing to take from this one is just it's the opposite from what we learned in the last lesson. Lowercase w would return all alphanumerics. Using capital W would exclude all the alphanumerics and return everything but those. If you're getting that, you guys are getting these lessons, and I'll see you in the next one.